Here's how I create digital products and sell them on Etsy. First, you will need a Placeit account, and then you're going to go ahead and use their templates to create an art print. These are completely okay for resale as long as they are done on Placeit. Then I'm going to edit it to my liking, and I'm actually going to create 3 prints to sell as a set. Then I'm going to download them as PNGs and go over to Etsy. Once you're on Etsy, create a listing and it'll look something like this, and then you'll be able to select that it is a digital file and that you created it. It is a finished product and it was made recently. You will then be able to upload the art you just made on Placeit into the Etsy listing so that when a customer purchases it, it's going to go right to their email. Then you can go ahead and finish up with your tags and titles. Don't forget to create a description and make sure that the customer knows it is a file they will be downloading. Then you can set your price and quantity. I do $9.99 because that's the most. You can then get your mock-ups from Placeit as well. These are just the listing photos that a customer will see so that they understand what they're purchasing. So it looks like this. Then you can update your Etsy listing and it is ready to be sold, and it's passive income.